friends, the security. I told him I would like to embrace Islam. Can you help me? So he gave me a piece of advice.
That's the security man
Yeah.
who first introduced you to Ahmad Didat's material.
Yes. So what he said to me, I told him I would like to embrace Islam. Can you help me? He said, Lim, Islam is not something that you want to embrace today and you go out tomorrow. So it's better for you to go back and think carefully. So I took that as advice. I go back and I think it over before I make my decision. So 2 months later, I went to see him. I said, I already think about it and I'm ready to embrace Islam. And he reminded me again, Lim, you can't change your car every now and then.
After I became a Muslim, my grandfather died. The night he passed away, everybody said, oh, this fellow is already Muslim. Now I let his younger brother do it. I said, Alhamdulillah. But the very next day, a few minutes before the last funeral rites starts, all my uncle and auntie came to me, rushed to me. He said, this is your grandfather and you are supposed to be doing it. Remember you that when your father died when you were 6, this is the grandfather who took care of you, took you and sent you to school. You know, all the whole history came. And I was just making dua, Allah please save me.
I'm a Chinese. I never kissed my mom's hand. We don't have a culture of hugging my father. You know, we don't have such a culture. But when I look at the Malay, wow, man, the children, when they meet the parents, they will kiss, they will hug. I look at it, such beautiful. But we don't have such a culture.
Interesting.
Soon after I embrace Islam, after I have so many children, Allah repay me everything.
MashaAllah.
When I go home, all my kids will hug me and kiss me.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the series Before and After Shahada, where we will be looking at some of the challenges but also the opportunities for presenting Islam to non-Muslims and those who are curious and want to learn more about the message of Islam, but where we will also be looking at the challenges and opportunities that are associated with people who have embraced Islam. How do we empathize? How do we support them when it comes to their emotional needs, their psychological needs, their intellectual, educational needs, the social support that they need, and the welfare that some of them come with? Inshallah, I am your host, Muhammad Nuruddin Lemu.